This is the 6-piece classic Waterpik water flossers storage case and replacement tips. So the thing I was worried about is I actually have this older Waterpik, and I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to find new replacement pick heads. And so these ones were recommended with it, and so I ordered them. And you can see it comes in a 6-pack, and it has the different colors on the top there. So if you have a larger family, everyone gets a color, and then you just know that you can put the tip on. And it's really easy. You just, on mine, you just push the button on the side here, and it pulls right out, and you put your new color in. And you can see that they always can go just right back in here. It snaps right in. And it's actually a really nice case. And so if you can just keep that on your counter or store it so everyone can just keep putting theirs back in there, it's definitely worth it. But they're a great quality, and I was very surprised that it fit with no problems. And that was pretty amazing to me, because I was definitely worried that when you get a product you haven't tried before for an older machine, it doesn't work. But I did not have that problem at all with these.